Hi Ray, just a quick video to brief in another component, something that I've briefed in before. I can see that you've worked on the loading of the map. It doesn't load and then move afterwards, which is great, really good. As it does there, just comes straight in. It's just the spacing between the top and the bottom of Australia. Now, if it could be potentially the same height. If there's a reason why this can't be done, just let me know. You haven't said that there isn't a reason why. So it works for tablet in the same way. The screen would be kind of there. So I'm pretty sure if you fix this up and applied that ruling to tablet, it would all be okay. Mobile is fine. It's kind of in the center as it is. Also, tablet in portrait mode is also okay. So I don't know. Maybe we need to have two different rules. So whatever rules you've got at the moment, that would apply to tablet portrait and mobile portrait, and then just another alignment for tablet landscape and desktop landscape, so that the spacing is even in between. That's it. I'll leave it with you. Let me know if it can't be done. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.